Hello friends, today we are going to continue chapter number 2, First World War and Russian Revolution, lecture number 9. Friends, in the previous lecture, we discussed about the important factor that was the feeling of fierce nationalism. Friends, we were discussing on which factors were responsible for this First World War. Starting from the very beginning, we understood that the major reason that drew towards this factor of nationalism was the greed of these European countries. These greed of European countries established the colonies in different parts of the countries in the world, and due to this reason, major countries of the world were conquered by these European countries. Friends, just for the hunger of this establishing colonialism and establishing the open market in the Asian and African continent, they started establishing their supremacy. And this led to the conflict, dissatisfaction, distrust between the other countries. Friends, we understood that whenever we have to maintain a good relation with other person, what we should do? If we want to maintain good relation with other person, we should have trust on him. We should have faith. But here, the situation was totally different. These countries did not trust each other. They did not have any kind of love for each other. In the previous lecture, we discussed that it was only their own sake. They only were thinking about their own sake. They were thinking of their own benefit. And due to that reason, the conflict arrived between these countries. Friends, here, when we discussed about the different factors that were responsible, we looked, when we were discussing about the Second War, that it was Germany. When Germany and France did this Second War and Germany defeated France, Germany forcefully made France to sign the Frankfurt Treaty. So here, Germany did not think that France was also passing from economic failure due to this war. France also had a great loss in economy due to this Second War. But still, Germany did not care about the economic situation of France and made him sign the Frankfurt Treaty and made France to pay a huge war fine. So here, the powerful countries did not think about the weaker countries and their problems. And these arise, the conflict between France and Germany. When we were discussing about economic factor, in that thing also it was the same thing. When Germany entered into the market of Asia and Africa and England started getting lost in the trading, there the conflict arises related to economy between England and Germany. If they want, they might have did the trading together. They might have existed, both the countries might have existed in the same market and could make profit. But here, these countries wanted only themselves to stand in this Asian and African market. And it was this reason that Germany started selling the products in a very cheaper price. Friends, we also discussed how due to this reason to withstand in the competition of colonization and to withstand in the competition of this market, they started increasing their military groups. Due to this reason, many powerful countries like Germany, Italy, Russia, they made the military training compulsory for all the peoples. They started producing destructive weapons. And due to this reason, as the strength increased, what happens? We always experience that if any country strength is increased, now they wanted to become more and more powerful. And it was due to this reason, to become more powerful, they started to join with the other countries. Here, our another factor came, that is the groupism. Here the different countries started to make the group, started joining the group. They unite with each other to save themselves from the future wars. They sign treaties with each other to ensure them from the future wars, and that could make them more and more strong. And due to that reason, the world was divided into two groups. Then we discussed about the feeling of fierce nationalism in our previous lecture, in which it was clearly mentioned that how this feeling of fierce nationalism was arised in the people of the different countries of Europe. Friends, these European countries had the thinking of love for one's own country and hatred for the other country. Here, as we discussed, that nationalism for any country is good, but a fierce nationalism should not arise in our mind. Here, these European countries wanted their own country to be more stronger than the other countries, and due to that reason, they increased the feeling of fierce nationalism in the mind of their people. We also discussed that the German king, Kaiser Wilhelm II, was considered as the propagator of this fierce feeling. He was the originator of colonization and nationalism. Kaiser Wilhelm II, was considered as the most originator person of this fierce nationalism in the mind of the people. He believed in the world leadership. He wanted to conquer the world. He wanted Germany to rule on the whole world. And due to that reason, he increased his military power. He started the production of deadly weapons. And friends, now moving forward towards our next topic that continues from there. That today, the topic that we are going to cover, that is the role of newspaper. The role of newspaper. Friends, as you all are aware, the strength, the power of media. As you know, as we all are aware, that at the present time also, this media plays a very important role. Newspaper in the past, the role of newspaper was very important. Here it is said, the newspaper of European countries European countries printed a large number of false and manipulated items, false and manipulated articles. Friends, here it is said, the newspaper of European countries printed a large number of false and manipulated articles at that time. And here it is said that these created distrust, hatred, jealousy. This created mistrust, hatred, jealousy. Then we can say enmity, feeling of fierce nationalism, feeling of taking revenge, increased in people. Friends, here it is said, as we all know, friends, that whenever, what is the strength, what is the power of newspaper? We all know that whosoever a powerful person or powerful organization may be, but if a media wants, media has the power that if media shows any positive face of any particular person or any particular organization, it plays a very important role in creating the public opinion. If the newspaper shows the positive face of any person or organization, the public opinion will always be positive. But here it is said, along with it, if media wants, if media is not proper, if these newspapers are not playing the proper role, then it could create a very negative impact on the mind of the people. Friends, here it is said that what happens if this newspaper, who has the duty of showing the correct image or the correct situation of the present time, what happens if these newspapers are not doing their duty, and if they are showing the wrong statements or the wrong articles are published in newspaper? These will create negativity or create the negative public opinion in the world. Same thing, friends, here, as I told you, that newspaper played a very important role. Here, if any person is doing any, you might have seen many politicians, if they do any kind of good work, immediately that work will be published in any newspaper or any media, and the media or newspaper will show that work of that particular politician to create the positive impact of that politician, due to which reason the public opinion will increase in the favor of that particular politician. Friends, here, if any newspaper agency is showing the proper statement about any politician, then the public opinion will be positive for that politician. But if the newspaper shows any false statement or any negative one of any politician, immediately the image of that politician decreases. The public opinion for that politician or that party suddenly decreases. This is the power of newspaper. Because we know that in the past, newspaper played a very important role between the communication of people. People knew through the newspaper that what is happening all around the world. Here, friends, it is said the newspaper of the European countries printed a large number of false and manipulated articles at that time. Why this role of newspaper was important as a factor of responsible first of all? Because it is said that many European countries, the newspaper agencies present in that European countries, they started printing false and manipulated articles. Manipulated means they manipulate many things in it. They used to change the statement, right? And the thing was published in the newspaper, due to which the public opinion of that particular country became negative. This created, and due to this thing, what happened in the country? This created mistrust. People started mistrusting each other. They had hatred in their mind, jealousy for each other, enmity. People became enemy of the other countries. They had the feeling of fierce nationalism, as we learned in our previous lecture. What is fierce nationalism? The feeling of fierce nationalism was arised in the people. Then feeling of taking revenge increased in people. The another thing was feeling of taking revenge. Now the people thought of taking revenge, that we want to take revenge from the other country, right? So these all things arise. People started thinking, people started knowing about their own country and the other country through this newspaper. So here it is saying this newspaper started playing a very important role. Here it is saying the newspaper split venom in the minds of people. Here it is said the newspaper split venom, right? The newspaper split venom in the minds of people. किसी के दिमाग के अंदर जहर डालना, जो कहते हैं, राइट? न्यूज़पेपर दे स्प्लिटिंग वेनम, वेनम मींस जहर. किसी के दिमाग के अंदर किसी के बारे में हम अगर कुछ गलत कहते हैं तो उसके बारे में हम नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट देते हैं. तो here it is said the newspaper split venom. What this newspaper did? This newspaper did the work of splitting venom in the mind of the people. They started putting the negativity in the mind of people. So here the newspaper did this negativity of following this negativity in the mind of people. Here it is said people believe that the newspaper got engaged into political phase and made people ready for war. Friends, here it is said the newspaper got engaged into political phase. Here at that time, when these European countries were in the phase of conquering more and more territories and establishing their strength, now this newspaper got engaged into this political phase at political level. This newspaper, instead of publishing the correct information and making people aware about the present situation of their country, this newspaper entered into the political phase. And instead of publishing the correct information, they started publishing false and manipulated articles in it. They published the wrong articles, incorrect articles. They manipulated the statement of the other peoples. They manipulated the situations, and due to which reason negativity increased in the mind of the people. Here it is said, now the newspaper got engaged into political phase and made people ready for war. Due to this reason, what happened? As we learned in the previous point, that due to this reason, mistrust for other country was arised, hatred for other country, jealousy for other country was increased, enmity. People thought about enmity with different countries, feeling of fierce nationalism. Then they started thinking to take revenge on other countries. And these all included in the mind of people. It was working like splitting venom in the mind of people and making them the enemy of the other country. This newspaper got engaged in the political phase, which drew the whole country towards the war. They made the thinking about the war as a proper way of conquering the other countries. So friends, today we discuss about the role of newspaper as an important factor responsible for this First World War. We will discuss about the next factor in our next lecture. Thank you.